Welcome to my model railway channel, and I think that's what I'll call it, because obviously the plan is to build up a model railway. In the meantime, I am looking on eBay and I'm looking at different things I can get to build the model up. As I said in a previous video, easy to go down to the model shop and go, yeah, great, I can buy that. But I thought it'd be more fun to do it on eBay and buy things as I see them and think, yeah, can I afford that? Bid for things within my budget, which is very limited, and see what I can get. And I mean very limited. So let's make a start. Now, the first item is this one here. The only thing about this one here is it's actually, I'll tell you what it is rather than opening it. It's a light set and it's come from China. What's happening at the moment, particularly in China, is not good. I'm not going to open it just yet. Moving on, two more things that came. So this is the first of the items. I'm going to just move that out the way. And looking at the size, when it came through my door, I must admit my wife sort of contacted me when I was away and said, you've got a package through. It looks like a sort of squidgy sausage. And I thought, oh, right, I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, when I saw it, I remembered. And here it is. This is what I've got. So the plan, building the model layout, is... Let's see if we can just open this without chopping my arms off. Obviously, if the video's gone live, I still have two hands. And here we go. This is a circle of track. And the purpose of when I saw this one, I'm just still trying to open it. When I saw this one, I thought it would be perfect because I have already got an oval of track and some sort of extra pieces, but this one is the Hornby R609s, and as you can see, wow, I hadn't seen them before. The description on them was as new, and these are absolutely as new, and I'll be honest, I only paid a couple of pounds for them. Which is absolute, and I think with postage it came to probably about £5. And actually looking at them, they are spotlessly clean. Really pleased with that track. And obviously there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 of them. So that will form a perfect circle. But more importantly, it will actually form an outer oval, which will help when I start to look at running a couple of different lines. Anyway, that's that purchase. Now we come on to another one. Now, again, this is scenery, and one thing that I do love with scenery are the Metcalfe models. I have seen them and I have actually played and put them together, and I actually managed to find these Metcalfe models amazingly priced, because I know brand new a Metcalfe model can be sort of 10 to 15 and even up to £20 brand new. Now these, obviously unopened, are as brand new, and I've managed to pick up 4 of them. And again, they were really well priced. I can't remember exactly how much, and I know some people might go, well, I can see £9.30 on there. That's true, there are, and there's £14.50, but I didn't pay anything like that. I paid just a couple of pounds, plus obviously some postage as well. But again, even the postage wasn't bad, because they're so easy to post in just a bog standard envelope. So the first one I got is the Wayside Shelter. So it's a smallish building, but it will enhance what I hope is the wayside station. So fantastic. Got a station, got a shelter. Yeah, I'm really hoping that that will look really nice. And obviously got stone now, so I'll need, if I'm looking for anything else for the station, I probably need to get stone. Now, another thing I got was a red brick corner shop. And again, I've gone for red brick. I've gone for red brick. That's what I saw and that's what I got. So if I do want to, which I do, enhance the street scene, I'm going to need sort of red brick going forward. So I've limited myself, obviously, but it was either going to be stone or red brick. Anyway, we've got the red brick. Anyway, there it is. Beautiful. And again, just a couple of pounds. And then another one, which I'll probably need to, you know, it's a factory entrance and a boil house. So obviously at some point I need to try and find and get a factory for a decent price as well. But it's a lovely, there seems to be an awful lot of things in there to do. So really pleased with that. So this is a great unboxing and some great things that I've managed to get off eBay at some good prices. The only thing I will say is somebody said this to me when I sort of mentioned looking on eBay. They said, know your price and stick to it. And they're absolutely right. And I admit, I bid low. I always do. I don't want to overspend. I haven't got a lot of money, so I'm wanting to do this on a reasonable budget. But I put my bid in and I do it early. I'm not one of these people that jumps on right at the end, and I'm not blaming them. They're fine. They can do that if they want, you know, a few seconds from the end. And if they take it away, I've got no problem because they want to pay more than I want to pay. And that's fine. So what I do is I look on, I've got it set to newly listed, my views. And as the new lists come on, I see something and I think, okay, I'll have that for, or I think that's worth £4 or £3 or £5, whichever it is. And I put that price in and then that's it. I've made my bid. If I win it, that's fine. But if I don't, that's also fine. Because somebody obviously wanted it more than I did. So, absolutely brilliant. Really happy with these models. And there's some, you know, sitting down and putting them together. Once, of course, I've got my boarding done and some track down on the board, which is all to come. Anyway, thank you for watching this unboxing. Please check back because all being well, providing I win any more auctions, there'll hopefully be more things from eBay that I've won and that I'll be unboxing. Thanks for watching.